Welcome to Monopoly. Let's dive into Solana chart and see what is going to happen next. Solana right now is at $75. I made a video about Solana price prediction in 2026 and I said $100 is so important because aligning with the psychological level and the demand zone at the base of a previous low. And as you can see, it's butchered it and it failed, and this zone turned into a resistance, and we already had twice testing it and we crashed right after. So $100 was indeed important and crucial. And now that we lost it, then I'm afraid to tell you that as long as we are below this area, we are in a bear market for Solana. Solana did well in the previous cycle because it played the role of Binance chain BNB of the previous cycle, bull run cycle, that it was like meme coins, the cats and dogs meme coin. It was on the Binance chain back then, but the meme coins in the previous cycle in the 2024 and 2025 was all on Solana. That's why Solana was going nuclear. I'm talking about fart coin, other bullshit that was going nuclear for no absolute reason. That's why Solana, pump fund, stuff like that did crazy, right? So this bull run, Solana was the star, and now it's over. So when the show is over, the star is also gone. So it makes sense, right? So what is going to happen next? As I told you, as long as we are below here, we're going to go down and down until it is proven otherwise. And the good news is that this whole move, we have a lot of demand zones, as you can see, and these demand zones are frontier for Solana to not crash much lower. And right now we're at this zone, which already actually three times, we had positive reaction to it. So these are all important. Right now we're at this, and if we lose this all will be available, especially if Bitcoin loses 60K, then I'm afraid to tell you that we might reach $40 or less at the worst scenario. But as of now, we are holding this, especially at $50 hasn't been touched yet, and is the last frontier for this zone, which is also a psychological level. So it's good news for you if you're a Solana lover and Solana holder or whatever. And $50, we are going to keep looking at it and see if Bitcoin does worse in the future and Solana keep crashing. $50 is going to determine the next steps. If we lose it, then it's over for Solana, at least for midterm, and not anytime soon we're gonna go higher. And what if Bitcoin somehow reclaimed 100K at some point? Then $100 could be available for Solana. Of course, this scenario is only that we maintain this zone for Solana, that we bounce off and up from it. So if we keep this, it's going to be much easier to reclaim $100 and go beyond. So our first target will be $100, and if we reclaim above, we're going to go for 120, which is also a base from there, so it's going to be important. And of course, anywhere between 120 and 140 will be hard to push through. But I think if we reclaim $100, then this area also will be cleared, and then we're going to go for higher ones for 160 and 180. Then this is going to be a real challenge then. And of course, when the $200 would be the ultimate challenge and ultimate resistance for the scenario that is super bullish Solana, whenever the bull market back, or we have some crazy news for Solana, that Trump talked about Solana, right? That kind of news that can actually revive it. But for now, as you can see, not very well, at least in short term and mid term. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I see you in the next video.